Good morning.
Myself Khushi Gupta.
I Kriti Tiwari.
And I Shruti Sinha.
We are here to share an innovative, novel, efficient and useful idea on the topic
Clean Energy under Atal Innovation Marathon 2018.
India, the country where farming has a major role in the economic growth of the nation, is exploring the use of micro-irrigation. The market for micro-irrigation is driven by the need to address the water scarcity concern for better crop productivity. While deliberating on the topic, as we said earlier, a noble idea struck to our mind on visiting a farm, and we found that sprinklers have been connected. 25 to 30 sprinklers were installed in such a manner that 5 sprinklers were there in each of the 6 rows. We got to know from the farmer that the illumination or electrical supply in the main gate, pump house, guard room, cattle area and workmen cottages was a heavy burden for him. The farmer also told him about his daily disputes with the workmen for wasting the valuable electricity.
As we have studied that energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, but can be converted from one form to another, which is the first law of thermodynamics, also known as the law of conservation of energy by Luhmann. Earlier, the process which started with the pressure developed in the sprinkler by the rotation of electric motor was limited to the purpose of irrigation. That process can now be further utilized in the generation of electricity through our idea due to dynamo action. So, we created this prototype by connecting a cycle dynamo to one of the rotating sprinklers. As we can see, the sprinkler is rotating at a high speed due to water pressure and efficient power is generated due to dynamo action.
In this way, we can charge a 12-volt battery by 12-volt DC supply generated through an electromagnetic effect. Immediately, an idea struck to our mind to connect this DC output to a 12-volt battery for recharging. This experiment will extremely provide free electrical power backup at absolutely nil cost, and this whole lighting load could easily be converted into and used by the battery. Thus, we can illuminate various utility areas in the farms like workman cottages, guard houses, cattle shed, powerhouse, battery house, main gates, etc.
Let us see how this prototype works. When the sprinkler starts rotating, the kinetic energy possessed by the water is converted into electrical energy through dynamo, which is denoted by the deflection of needle of the voltmeter. This electrical energy is further stored in the batteries of the storage areas. This stored electrical energy is further utilized in the villages by the farmer for the illumination and other purposes of the farm area. So, the problem was, with great power comes great electricity bill, but with this prototype, farmers
just chill.